my name is Daniel, I'm a member of Leon support team, and today I will show you how the integration with Universal Aviation trainings is working with Leon. This integration allows you to transfer endorsements from the platform after finishing the courses to Leon. And those endorsements can be visible in the user's profile and also in the crew endorsement section. After you log into the Universal Aviation training site, you can see your courses under My Courses tab. Here the section is divided into enrolled and completed. When you click on some particular course, it will be divided into a few sections, and at the bottom part of the screen you will see the possibility to finish the test. After the test is over, all the information will be transferred to Leon. But please make sure that your email address will be the same on the platform and also in Leon, so the data will be correctly transferred. After the data has been transferred, Leon will create new endorsements, which will be visible in the crew endorsement section and in the full user profile in personal endorsement section, and those endorsements will have the Universal Aviation training logo next to them. As you can see, with this integration, you have quick access to all your crew members' endorsements, and you can quickly see if they have finished the courses and if they are valid. For this information and more, please visit our LinkedIn page and our YouTube.